Yo, what is going on, boys? This is Luke. I am back with another one. Now, today's video is going to be a bit short because I've just got one tip for you lot that I found out a couple of days ago. Let's get straight onto it. If you're on self-improvement, which you probably are if you're watching this video, then you might have found out about reading. And I'm not talking about just storybooks and school books and stuff like that. I'm talking about like actual books that help you a lot in life to improve and find yourself, let's say. If you found out about reading and you started reading, you might have also searched online for videos on how to improve your reading. That may be with your reading speed or the amount that you memorize and all of the things like that. Now listen, this is a tip that I've never found before until a few days ago. I don't think it's that talked about, so I'm just gonna bring it to light. I found out about this tip, as I said, a couple of days ago when I was reading Alex Hormozi's $100 Million Offers book. At the beginning of the book, he was talking about how you can improve your reading, and it was just like it was just like a small paragraph with just one tip, and I'm just gonna share it to you lot today because maybe you just don't watch Alex Hormozi. So yeah, the tip that I'm talking about is using audiobooks when you're reading. Now for me, this helped me increase my reading speed by quite a lot and also improve my memory. For implementing this technique, I would used to read around 20 pages an hour with taking notes, of course. If I didn't take notes, I think I could have read more than that, but if you don't take notes, you don't remember stuff as well. So yeah, since I've implemented this technique, I've gone up to 60 pages an hour, which is kind of crazy. It's a triple increase in my reading speed just like that, just by implementing this one simple trick. And also I memorized things a bit better when I read, and also I've got an audiobook. And the explanation for that is due to the fact that when you read, you have two sources basically of information coming at you. So you've got the text and also the person speaking. As I said, this is the only tip that I'm gonna present to you in this video. And hold on, my camera is shaking. This was Luke. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like. And if you've got any suggestions, the comment section is right down below, so comment there. And if you want to stay on the self-improvement journey with me, then make sure to subscribe. So yeah, this was Luke, and I'm gonna see you lot in the next one. Bye bye.